Hello, students. Welcome to Theory Maths. I'm going to be working out this Olympiad question. Now, as an intelligent student, you have to notice this. Look at this pattern. Here is -2, and here is -3, here is -4, here is -5. Then when we go to the top, look at this is -10, -9, -8, -7. You can't help than to notice that there is a pattern here. Now, this pattern is going to help us to solve the questions that we need to solve, which is the one displayed on the screen. So let's move to solution properly. Now from the screen, if you check, I will make the first step by taking this down to this part. All right. So that I'm going to have x minus 10 all over x minus 2 plus x minus 9 all over x minus 3 plus x minus 8 all over x minus 4 plus x minus 7 all over x minus 5, then plus 4 is equals to 0. Now, after I've done this step, because of the pattern that I told you, I'm going to take away this 4 by distributing plus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, and plus 1 here. That is what I'm going to do. So I'll take away this 4 to do that. Now, this is what I'm going to have if I should do that. I'm going to have x minus 10 all over x minus 2, then plus 1. This will be the first, okay? Then when I move to the second, this is going to be plus x minus 9 all over x minus 3, then I have plus 1. Okay, it is a method that I thought of because I needed, or I noticed that there is a pattern. Okay, so the pattern is going to help me to solve this question. Okay, then the last one will be plus x minus 7 all over x minus 5, then plus 1. I take it like this, then everything is equals to 0. Now, if you check, I've not done anything. I just manipulated to get what I want. Now, the next move is to have it being simplified because they are all fractions now. Picking the first one, if I find the LCM is x minus 2. So I'm going to have x minus 10, okay, minus x minus 2. If you don't understand how I got this, you see this one is similar to 1 over 1. So it is the same thing as saying this x minus 2 divided by x, but divided by 1, sorry, which is still going to be x minus 2, then times 1. Okay, but this should be plus. This should not be minus, okay? So that is a correction there. You should take note of that, all right? So we continue. Plus, I'm going to do the same thing, all right? I'm going to do the same thing with this so that I'm going to have an LCM, which is x minus 3. So I'm going to have x minus 9 here. Then, of course, plus we have x minus 3. Cover it like this, and this is what I have. I will continue. Now, since I've completed it, I'm going to expand so that I can have x minus 10 plus x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Plus, here I'm going to have x minus 9 plus x minus 3 all over x minus 3. Then plus x minus 8 plus x minus 4. I'm going to have everything over x minus 4. Then the last, which is going to be x minus 7 plus x minus 5 all over x minus 5. Everything is equals to 0. Now, simplifying further, you can agree with me that this is going to be 2x minus 12 all over. We have x minus 2, then plus the same thing now, 2x minus 12 all over x minus 3, then plus we have 2x, not just x, but we have 2x minus 12 all over x minus 4, then plus we have 2x minus 12 all over x minus 5. Now, if you can check, the thing is getting interesting, and it is all because of the pattern that I noticed from the beginning. Okay, now I can factorize 2x minus 12 out. Now, when I factorize 2x minus 12 out, I'm going to have 2x minus 12 like this. Then I have a big bracket where I'm going to have 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 4 plus 1 over x minus 5. This is what I'm going to have. Everything is equal to 0. Now, the issue there is, how am I going to work what is in the bracket? There is something that you need to take note of. Check this out. Look at, if you check minus 7 minus 3 plus minus 4, it is equals to minus 7. And if I have minus 2 and I add it to minus 5, it's still going to be minus 7. So it will inform me that I can do something with it. So what I'm going to do is to rearrange. And how do I rearrange it? I'm going to have 2x minus 12. Okay. Then I'm going to have 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 5. You see, these two will give me something that has to do with minus 7. So I have it this way. Then plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 4. So it now made sense. Is equals to 0. What do I do? What I'm going to do now is to work them out in twos. So I'll pick this first two. I'll work it out. The LCM, of course, is going to be x minus 2 down into x minus 5. Now, doing it, I'm going to have x minus 5 plus x minus 2, just like I did the first one. Then, having this one again, the same thing I'm going to do. Of course, it is plus. Then I'm going to have x minus 3 into x minus 4 as the LCM. So I'm going to have x minus 4 plus x minus 3 in this case. All right. So this is what I have. Okay. Now, having this, it means that I'm going to have 2x minus 12. Then I'm going to have in bracket. Now, working this one out, x plus x, I have 2x. Then minus 7 all over. What I have here is x minus 2 down into x minus 5. Cover the bracket. Then plus here, I'm still going to have 2x minus 7. Of course, all over x minus 3 down into x minus 4. This is what I have is equals to 0. So everything is making sense. Now, I'll factorize 2x minus 7 again out because it is common. So I have 2x minus 12 down into 2x minus 7. Okay. All into 1 over, I have x minus 2 into x minus 5. Okay. Then plus, I'm going to have 1 over, I have x minus 3. Okay. Into x minus 4. Now, this is equals to 0. Now, everything is almost in its simplest form. Now, everything is equals to 0. That is, this multiplying this is equals to 0. So, it means that it is either I have 2x minus 12 is equals to 0, which implies that I'm going to have 2x is equals to 12. So that x is going to be 12 over 2, which is equals to 6. So, I have one of the values. Or I pick the second one, which is 2x minus 7 is equals to 0, which implies that 2x is equals to 7. So that x is going to be 7 by 2, which is going to be 3.5. So I have another answer, okay? Another value for x. Now, the last one, of course, it's a bit complicated where I have 1 all over x minus 2 into x minus 5, then plus 1 over x minus 4 into x minus 3. Everything is equal to 0. Okay, you can move it and cross multiply, but again I can decide that I have an LCM of x minus 2, then x minus 3, x minus 5, sorry, then I have x minus 4 and x minus 3 as my LCM. So if I do this, what is going to happen here is that I'm going to have x minus 4 into x minus 3 plus, of course, x minus 2 into x minus 5. Everything is equal to 0. Now, when I cross multiply, I will end up with having x minus 4 into x minus 3 plus x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. I will expand, then rearrange. Of course, this is going to be x squared minus 3x minus 4x, then I have plus 12, then plus, okay, what I'm going to have here is going to be x squared minus 2x or minus 5x, whatever it is, then minus 5x, then of course I'm going to have plus 10. Okay, everything is equal to 0. Now, having it this way, I will now add x squared plus x squared. I have 2x squared. Then you can have this is the whole of this is minus 7x. Then I'm going to have another minus 7x here, so I have minus 14x. Okay, then I have 12 plus 10, I have plus 22 is equal to 0. I can reduce this equation by dividing through by 2, so that I'm going to have x squared minus 7x then plus 11 is equal to 0. Now, this is what I'm going to do. This equation is not factorizable. It's a quadratic equation that is not factorizable. So I will employ the quadratic formula, which says x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, how do I get my a, b, and c? They are the coefficients of this equation, which is x squared minus 7x plus 11 is equal to 0. Remember, the format of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it therefore means that my a is 1, my b is minus 7, and my c is equal to 11. So taking it into the equation, I'm going to have x will now be equals to minus into minus 7, close the bracket, plus minus, I have root of minus 7 all squared, minus 4 into a, which is 1 times 11, close the bracket. Then everything here is all over 2 times 1 because a is 1. So x will now be 7 plus minus root of, I have 49 minus that is 44, of course, all over 2, which will be the same as 7 plus minus root of 5 all over 2. Okay, now my x is either 7 plus root of 5 over 2, or x is 7 minus root of 5 over 2. Now, I've succeeded in working out all the possible values, possible real values, let me put it this way, possible real values of x. And what are the values in conclusion? We have x, the first one, let me label it x1, we have 6. Then x2, we have 3.5 as a value. Then x3, we are going to have 7 plus root of 5 by 2. Then the last one, which is x4, actually we are going to have 7 minus root of 5 by 2. So this is how we work out this question. Now, guys, I want to believe you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of wonderful videos in stock for you. So thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.